Okay, we're back. Everything's still timed up. No oil coming out. Been sitting for a few more minutes. No issues. Alright, we're going to goop this thing up and put it together. So, my goop board. Back here someplace, my goop board. There it is. Gasket board. Right there. And I got right now oil, helps it out. Alright, so we're going to gasket cinch everything. Clearance has already been checked, so there's no other issues now pop up. Appears to be popping up lots of issues. Okay, spacers there, the spacers there, no spacer there. Okay, everything looks good. Let's go for it. Pretend like we know what we're doing today. Okay, that's done. Do the other side. All four surfaces get gooped up. That's 2 gaskets and 2 parts. Case and cam cover. If you wait too long, it sets up on the board here and your gasket will tear trying to pull it up. Most of the time I put on the cam cover. In this case it's tight on the dowel, so I want to make sure it all goes down correctly here. Adjust it to where you want it to be. Touch it. It'll stick to where it wants to be at. Let's do our cam cover. Only do what the gasket is. Extra area is not needed. Okay. I'm going to goop right here where it mattered. You'd like a little tacky, be fine. Take the spider webs away if you want. That's below the surface. We still got our 100th out there, so we're good on that. I heard some crank play earlier, so I know I got crank play, so I know I'm good. Okay. Put a little bit of lube right here on the pinion shaft just to make sure it's got lube. Same deal, we don't want any Loctite sticking where it doesn't belong. Okay, that should be adequate. Okay. That'll happen. Stupid ass screen is in the way. Thought we checked for clearance on that already. Damn thing is hitting. Shit. Damn it. A little extra clearance. The breather here is hitting right here, so I just flatten this out by putting the screwdriver in here. Go like this and just pressure on a little bit, so now it's going flat instead of curving. Hopefully that lets my cam cover go on correctly this time. Thought I checked that already, but obviously I didn't do a very good job. What's going on here? Not hitting on that, so what are we hitting on here? What the hell? Okay, you've been on there 100 times already. Why have you decided not to go down now? It's fighting me. It's not hitting on that tube. It's over here. It's on the pinion shaft and everything else. What the hell? Okay, what the hell's going on here? Oh, you dumbass. Fucking pinion bushing, I beat on it. It squeezed it. Fuck. It mashed it close. Guarantee you. Crap. Try to fix one problem and develop a whole nother one. Shit. Great time to find out, huh? Oh, jeez. What a shocker, it doesn't fit now. There we go. It's not exactly a time to be doing a hand reamer job. Need a hand chuck. Found one. What the hell? Oh, you bastard. Doesn't fit. I made this over a ½ inch because it fit my other chuck, but see, it's just like 10 thou too big to go inside this chuck. I am just not winning today, am I? Alright. Plan C. Okay. What a fun day. We're going to use our lathe as a drill motor. So, we got the drill reamer here. We're going to hold this and lightly rotate it. we got it in there now. As I recall, I backed it off a little bit last time I had it off, I think. Find out. Okay. That did that to it. So I'm going to go clean it up now. See if it's going to be enough clearance. Oh, this tripod's a pain in the ass. Okay, first thing I do is blow the chips out of here. It's going to blow it out. It blows oil everywhere. At least you know that works. Okay. She goes all right. Okay. Here's the original shaft. It's not exactly the same size, but it should at least tell me if it's going to work or not. Okay, I think we took off the high spot. I'm assuming it was just right on the edge was the problem, so. Alright, it might work now. Okay. One more blow job. Make sure you get all the chips out of there.